What's your name? You got anything illegal on you?
No, I don't.
Any meth, anything like that? You don't have to show me.
Well, I'm emptying my bra before you touch me.
I'm not going to touch you.
Oh, okay.
I just asked
No,
you.
I don't have any more.
Okay, pull your shirt back on.
Can I get my chips back, please? I'm trying to go to my house, which is on Herbert.
On Herbert?
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys went to the Dollar General store?
I swear to God that the tall lady at the register looked something like that.
Okay. Do me a favor, turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Why?
It's because I said so. Listen.
What is wrong?
22, can I have another cruiser? I need to put this female in a different cruiser.
But what?
I've already got a male in there. You pinched the shit out of me.
I did?
Yeah.
Let me see. I didn't mean to.
You didn't mean to.
No.
This was a simple case. And now you made it so much harder.
What is it?
Now you're going to jail.
Why?
Well, you pinched the shit out of me. You stole from Dollar General.
Well, we have a report of a black male with a dangerous weapon. Yeah. I'm looking at the weapon right now.
Well, I don't have a dangerous weapon.
I'm looking at a weapon. It's in your hand. What are you doing with that?
Sir, this is my walking stick.
Your walking stick?
Yes, I'm blind. I can't see.
You're looking right at me.
I can hear your voice, but I can't see you.
So you're telling me you're blind and then you use that device to find your way around? I'm not buying it.
Yeah, that's what it is, yep.
Sir, that is a weapon, and you can't be in possession of it.
No, it's not a weapon.
What other weapons do you have on you?
I don't have any weapons.
No weapons at all?
Not at all.
So you're just sitting here randomly, no reason at all, carrying a weapon?
Bro, I'm just waiting on my bus.
This isn't a bus stop. We've already discussed that. No bus is coming here.
I come here every day.
Well, you're in the wrong spot. So your story's not adding up. Now, I would like to know what you're really up to.
Like I said to you, you're stressing me out right now. I'm just waiting on my bus.
You look very suspicious, and your behavior is very questionable right now. So I'm going to ask you again, why are you here, and what are you doing?
Bro, I'm just waiting on my bus.
This isn't a bus stop. We've already discussed that. So you're going to have to come up with a better story than that. I don't appreciate being lied to.
The only reason I pulled you over is your lights.
Oh,
it's fine to have lights, but they have to be one color. They can't alternate while you're traveling.
Oh, they can't?
Yeah.
I can change it right now.
Can you set it to one color?
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, any color you want. That's fine. It's just when they alternate, it's a distraction. And
yeah, I was curious about that. If you're
stationary, like parked somewhere, they can be alternating, but when you're traveling in motion down the road, that's the only thing. Well, I appreciate it. It's the only reason I stopped you, but okay?
All right. You have a good night.
Like your bike.
Thank you.
No, this is the more I get worked up, the more it's like this is having adult aspirations. All right, I
have a medical bus come check on you.
No, I know. I just want to go get my dinner and go head home. I was a couple days and I'm going back west where I want to go. And
any medications for any of those instant maladies?
You didn't see that police car behind? Step out. Step out now. Put it in park. Put your hands right there. Okay. You got any guns? No. Put your hands on the car. For what? I'm in a police car, and you're trying to get away from me. No, I'm not. You didn't see that police car behind?